Well, there's the feeders, everybody. And when I came to get me a cup of coffee when I woke up, I looked out the kitchen window and there was at least 5 birds all trying to eat. And they were about at least 3 different kinds. So when I came to bring out my stuff to do the morning devotions, they took off. I looked out just a minute ago and there was a cardinal on it, and I was going to try to, film it. But it took off when these crows started making all their noise. As you can hear, they're upset about something. And you don't hear many other birds when they do this stuff. I'm trying to see where they are. They're in this big tree somewhere. There goes one. There they are. I don't know what they're on about this morning. I don't know what they're up to. They're awful vocal this morning. So at least I know the birds like this, but they're not going to come over here, especially with these crows up here doing this. Well, hello, Adam and Adam's wife. How are y'all doing this morning?
Oh, doing pretty good this morning. How are you?
Hello there, how are you? We're doing good. Hope y'all have a good day. We're going to get you a name real soon, hon.
Well, I'd appreciate that.
Yes, we're having a Name the Gnome contest right now, just like we did for Adam's wife. All you have to do is be a subscriber of mine. Give your idea in the comments of her name, what you think would be a good name for her. And say, enter me. And you'll be entered to win a book of the movie Dumbo that just came out, which is a great movie. And I need to get, a decent amount of entrants before I decide to go ahead and do the drawing. So please get your idea in so we can do the giveaway. It's a really nice book. I'll show it again tonight. Okay, they must have finally took off. Sometimes there'll be 5 or 6 of them crows all doing that, fighting amongst each other and stuff. As you can see, as soon as they take off, the birds start singing again. I bought that shepherd's hook at Walmart, and you were supposed to just like knock it down into the ground. It had like the one piece of metal pipe or whatever you want to call it that went down, and then it had one that stuck out like this, and you're supposed to knock it down into the ground. Well, when I went to hit it with the hammer, it broke right off. So I stuck it down in this pipe here that was already here, and I'm glad it broke off, because that's so much sturdier than it would have been. So it worked out all for the good that it broke. I don't see the hawk up there on that power pole today. I won't be able to ship the book anywhere but in the United States and Canada, y'all. Look at the birds. Oh, they'll take off if these crows keep doing this. I knew it. Oh, stupid crows. Y'all, calm down. They ran our first customers off here. He keeps flying around in a circle right here. Watch him. I don't know, he's acting weird. He'll take off and fly around in a circle like, and then land again. We ran our little birdies off, you see what I mean? Them two that was over there a minute ago would have started feeding. Look like cardinals, I think. But they wouldn't because of this mess. They took off. Oh, hello butterfly. How are you? We have a lot of little finches, and I'm hoping that they'll enjoy this. If they can find it and start feeding. Well, I'm glad some landed on it while we were talking here. If it weren't for those crows, they would have stayed. Because they didn't seem bothered by me. I don't think any more are going to try to get anything with these crows raising Cain. What is the matter? I think you heard me. Well, y'all, I guess I'll go for now. Pretty soon I'm going to be harvesting some vegetables. I noticed I've got 2 big zucchinis. I don't exactly know how big the spaghetti squash is supposed to get, but there's one that's going to be ready soon. You can see it over there. And I'm about ready to pick some green beans too. And these peppers over here, one of them is turned completely orange now, which is what it's supposed to be, so it must be ready too. I don't know if I'll do it today or tomorrow, but when I do, I'll film it. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Please press that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. Everybody have a great day, and I'll see you later on. Bye-bye.